Hello, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and welcome back to my little series here on YouTube where you will learn 15 useful sentences in German. Okay, and today's topic is the weather. So we are talking about the weather, and it's quite useful because normally in every conversation normally people talk about the weather. So check those sentences out and you will be ready for your next small talk. And please don't forget, I have also a basic course for beginners to learn German in really a short time and in a really nice, entertaining way. And the link you will find in the description or in the corner over here. So now we will learn 15 sentences to talk about the weather in German. And the first step, I will present you these 15 sentences. And then we will study it together and actively using Quizlet. So let's see our 15 sentences right now. First sentence. Wie ist das Wetter? What's the weather like? Wie ist das Wetter? Heute ist es sonnig. It's sunny today. Heute ist es sonnig. Morgen regnet es. Tomorrow it will rain. Morgen regnet es. Es ist oft windig. It's often windy. Es ist oft windig. Es ist sehr kalt. No, it's very cold. Es ist sehr kalt. Am Wochenende wird es warm. It will be warm at the weekend. Am Wochenende wird es warm. Es ist nicht bewölkt. It's not cloudy. Es ist nicht bewölkt. Es schneit viel. It snows a lot. Es schneit viel. Es gibt ein Gewitter. There is a thunderstorm. Es gibt ein Gewitter. Am Abend hagelt es. It hails in the evening. Am Abend hagelt es. Es sind 20 Grad. It's 20 degrees. Es sind 20 Grad. Es gibt Schauer. There are showers. Es gibt Schauer. Am Morgen ist es neblig. It's foggy in the morning. Am Morgen ist es neblig. Im Sommer ist es feucht. It's humid in summer. Im Sommer ist es feucht. Im Winter ist es trocken. It's dry in winter. Im Winter ist es trocken. Yeah, and these sentences now we will study them together using Quizlet. So let's go to Quizlet. And here we are on Quizlet, and here you see I created this learning set, The Weather in German, with our 15 sentences. In Quizlet you have different options to study this learning set. In this case we will use the flashcard mode over here. So we click just here. And in options, please make sure that you activate to track the progress. I highly recommend this. And you also normally should activate the audio. In our case we don't need it because I will read the sentence. So let's study our sentences. So we will have now the English sentence here, and you need to translate it into German. So I will give you always 2 or 3 seconds, so you also can pause the video to think a little bit longer, and your goal is to say the sentence in German. So what's the right translation for what's the weather like in German? Wie ist das Wetter? No? Now first round, now we have 2 options here. Because we track our progress, we can mark it as known, no, if you really know it, or you still want to learn it, you mark it here. In our first round I will mark every sentence here, but if you study by yourself, no, you decide by yourself. Okay. Second sentence. It's sunny today. So if you need to, you can pause the video. Heute ist es sonnig. – 't' 'Tomorrow it will rain. 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 – 't' 'Tomorro Morgen regnet es. It's often windy. Es ist oft windig. It's very cold. Es ist sehr kalt. It will be warm at the weekend. Am Wochenende wird es warm. It's not cloudy. Es ist nicht bewölkt. It snows a lot. Es schneit viel. There's a thunderstorm. Es gibt ein Gewitter. It hails in the evening. Am Abend hagelt es. It's 20 degrees. Es sind 20 Grad. There are showers. Es gibt Schauer. It's foggy in the morning. Am Morgen ist es neblig. It's humid in summer. Im Sommer ist es feucht. It's dry in winter. Im Winter ist es trocken. Okay, and you see, no, we marked them all that we are still learning them. So we have all the sentences in this box. No? If you know already something, they would be here. But let's do this again and practice again our 15 sentences. What's the weather like? Do you know it now? Yes. Wie ist das Wetter? And now we will mark it as known. It's sunny today. Heute ist es sonnig. Tomorrow it will rain. Morgen regnet es. It's often windy. Es ist oft windig. It's very cold. Es ist sehr kalt. And this sentence is part of my German course for beginners, and there I go even further to help you to learn the language. So let's see what I mean. So here we have the sentence, es ist sehr kalt. No? And in my beginner course you learn German by following the story of Leo. Okay? And every sentence in the story will have an image. No? So you see here our image. No? Es ist sehr kalt. Because I like to connect the information, the German sentence, with an image, not just with a translation. And I also add colors to the picture. So we have, for example, here a red background because the verb here to be, it's irregular. So it's es ist. No? And es, it's green because it's the subject, so it's in nominative. And what I also do is that we will have this little image here because it's part of our lesson 17 of the course. So every sentence has an image, so we tell the story by seeing the images and listening to German. And so we will create a whole story. Okay? And you see all the colors are related to grammar things. And please remember, if you really want to do this, you can study this for free, and the link you will find in the description and also in the right up corner over here to study everything by yourself. So please check it out. But now let's go back to Quizlet to study our 15 sentences about the weather. And here we are back on Quizlet, and now, es ist sehr kalt, we know the sentence. It will be warm at the weekend. Am Wochenende wird es warm. It's not cloudy. Es ist nicht bewölkt. It snows a lot. Es schneit viel. There is a thunderstorm. Es gibt ein Gewitter. It hails in the evening. Am Abend hagelt es. It's 20 degrees. Es sind 20 Grad. There are showers. Es gibt Schauer. It's foggy in the morning. Am Morgen ist es neblig. It's humid in summer. Im Sommer ist es feucht. It's dry in winter. Im Winter ist es trocken. Yeah, and so now you see we practice all these 15 sentences and they ended up in our no box. Okay. Yeah, and if you want to study these by yourself, I will leave you the link over here and in our description, so you can use Quizlet to study these 15 sentences. And also remember my beginner course to learn German in record time. You will also find in our description a link and also in our box over here. So thank you very much, and please remember, leave a comment to tell me maybe more about which sentence I forgot here, or maybe which topic you're interested to learn 15 sentences. And also please like the video, it helps me a lot, and also try or subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. So thank you very much, vielen Dank und bis bald.